In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to assign a different blog post template to specific posts in Divi. Let's get started. All right, so the next thing we need to do is to head over to this blog post, which I've linked in the video description below. This is what we're going to be using for this tutorial. So go ahead and scroll down until you find here where it says get it for free today. Click on this button and then download the files. I've already gone ahead and downloaded the files. So the next step now is to go onto our website and import this template. So I'm going to come over here to my site, scroll all the way down here to Divi and then click on Theme Builder. Next, you want to go to Portability. So click on these two arrows and then click on the Import tab. Now, I've already gone ahead and downloaded this file as I mentioned earlier. So the easiest way to import this is just to drag and drop it here. But if you want to navigate it manually, you can always go ahead and do that. Next, I'm going to click on Import Theme Builder Template. So the next step now is to duplicate our blog post template. So I'm going to come over here and I'm now going to target the specific blog post. So all my blog posts are here. So once I hover over where it says specific posts, choose the first one here like that, and then click on save. Next, I need to go in and customize this. So I'm going to click here on this pencil icon. And the first thing I'm going to customize is the background. So I'm going to click on this section settings and then go to background. Next, I'm going to change my color by clicking on this eyedropper tool and then just pasting my color like that. So now you can see my color has been updated. I'm going to save. Next, we need to customize this button because we can't really see it in this dark background. So I'm going to click here and go to my background. Click on Design, Button, and then over here on the background color, we want to change this to black. So I'm going to click here on this eyedropper tool and paste my color in here like that. Next, I need to customize my button color and change this to white. And now that's looking much better. And then I'm going to save. We also have a line here on the bottom. And again, we can't really see it. So we need to go in and change it by coming over here to our row settings. Now we need to go to Design, Border, and go to our bottom border. And we're going to change the color to white. So we are done here. Let's go ahead and save by clicking here on Expand Settings and then clicking on Save. So now it's time to create our second blog post template. So we're going to come over here and duplicate this one. And we're going to go straight into this and hover over specific posts. And this time we're going to choose this one right here. Next, we're going to click on Save. And now we can click on this pencil icon and start customizing this. Like we did before, I'm going to go to my section settings, click on background and replace this background with our new color. So I'm going to come over here and paste it and then save. So all we have to do now is to save everything and take a look at our final designs. All right, so let's take a look at our first post. So this is the standard one. Okay, so this is our first custom one. And you can see the background here is different. Let's move on to the next one. And this one here also has a different background. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. By doing so, you'll be notified every time we release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.